Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to remove stamps, signatures and handwritten from a document in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So I have this document over here. I got it from Google actually. You see that it has some writings on it. So I'll be showing you how to remove them. The first thing to do is to add a black and white adjustment layer. So click here and select black and white adjustment layer. Once the property pops up, select the blues and push it all the way to the right, that's 300. Then let's close it here. Now press Shift Option Command E or Shift Alt Control E to merge everything into one image. Now what we do is, you can see that after removing the blues, the text is a bit faded in a way. So let's pop it up. So go to Image, Adjustments, and then select Levels. Over here, let's give this a value of 50. Let's give this a value of 0.65, and then let's give this at the value of 250. Then we are good to go. Okay guys, so this is the before and here is the after. So here's the before and here is the after. Okay guys, so this is how to easily remove stamps, signatures and handwritten from a document in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.